ES File Manager was once a top Android tool, but it's now banned in many countries over privacy concerns. In this video, we'll share 12 great alternatives to help you manage your files safely. Top 1. Best ES File Explorer Alternative Assistant for Android. So, what is the best substitute for ES File Explorer? Just give Mobikin Assistant for Android a try. This smart product makes it a unique and most commendable avenue for Android file management. Manage Android contacts on PC. Mark the Contacts menu to manage contacts on Android by clicking the New, Delete, Export, Import, or Edit options. Manage more Android files on PC. You're empowered to check any data types, SMS, photos, videos, etc., from the left sidebar and further manage any other files according to your requirements. One-click Android Backup and Restore. If you'd like to back up and restore your device flexibly, please go to the Super Toolkit section and follow the easy guide to complete the backup or restoration. Top 2. Files by Google. With an easy-to-navigate interface and multiple options for various features, Files by Google lets you manage your Android photos, videos, and apps, as well as clean unwanted items. Top 3. MiXplorer Silver. MiXplorer Silver comes packed with a host of features, making it a text editor, a reader, HTML viewer, etc. On top of that, it can create tabs and multitask with files and folders, in addition to categorizing file types for management. Top 4. X-plore File Manager. As a dual-pane explorer, X-plore File Manager is dedicated to performing various tasks on its seemingly outmoded interface. This alternative to ES File Explorer lists folder hierarchy in a tree view for orientation. Top 5. ASTRO File Manager and Cleaner. Offering the ability to view, organize, back up, share, move, and rename files. ASTRO File Manager and Cleaner is a clever ES File Explorer alternative on the list. It can compress and decompress files automatically with the RAR extractor and zip file opener. Top 6. Total Commander. Better than ES File Explorer, Total Commander is a powerful file organizer for Android cell phones. It is completely free and works for rooted or unrooted devices with its basic data management features. Top 7. Solid Explorer. Solid Explorer can quickly access all your files and folders, after which you can transfer stuff over different devices via an FTP connection. These tools can be a cloud account facilitator, recycle bin offering a dual-pane interface, and Chromecast support. Top 8. FX File Explorer. FX File Explorer, great ES File Explorer replacement, renders SMBv2 support and FX Connect for direct file transfers, accessing the file manager via PC, and offers a 7-day free trial. It serves as a file encryptor, photo viewer, media player, and data cleaner. Top 9. File Commander. Unlike other tools mentioned in this article, File Commander offers 15 GB of free storage of its own. This ES replacement is clean and pretty easy to use. It enables you to manage upload, copy, move, delete data on your device, network, or even cloud storage. Top 10. Amaze File Manager. Amaze File Manager, one of the decent apps like ES File Explorer, gives you 2 directories to navigate and access Android files fast. This program makes file management easier with its simple interface. Top 11. CX File Explorer. CX File Explorer is a powerful, ad-free Android file manager with a clean, intuitive interface. It supports local, cloud, and network file access and offers a storage analyzer, making it a great, bloat-free alternative to ES File Manager. Top 12. EX File Manager. Like ES File Explorer, X File Manager includes a media viewer, access, and a clean, customizable UI, but without the ads, bloatware, or privacy concerns. It offers all the essentials: copy, move, rename, compress, and supports both cloud storage and network access.